If you are struggling to perfectly apply liquid lipstick, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how I apply liquid lipstick perfect every time. Check it out. Hey beautiful people! So today's video is going to be another short video. You might have noticed on my channel that I really like doing short videos that are straight to the point, give you tons of information, and you don't have to, fast forward it because there's too much boring stuff in between. So I just wanted to drop in right now because I'm doing this video as a voiceover, but I just wanted to remind you guys to hit that like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell so you support my channel and I can continue to do what I love doing here on YouTube. Having said that, let's just get right to the video. To create this lip look, I will be using the following products, starting with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unlocked, the Revlon Kiss Exfoliating Balm. Any kind of wet wipes that you have lying around will work for this. And I'll also be using the Wonder Beauty Lip Retreat Lip Oil. I'm also using my trusted Pro Conceal Concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics. And I will also be using a flat brush, and this one is from Laura Mercier. To ensure a flawless application, you want to make sure that your lips are flawless to begin with. So what we're going to do, we're going to scrub our lips using the Kiss Exfoliating Lip Balm. This balm has grainy particles in it that when you rub it over your lips, it really gets them really soft and flawless. If you don't have an exfoliating balm lying around, you can always use a toothbrush and just gently brush the bristles over your lips, or a wet washcloth will also do. Use a wet wipe to get rid of the lip scrub and wipe it all off your lips. Make sure to get all the particles off there so nothing stays behind. Next, we're going to put the moisture back in the lips by applying the Wonder Beauty Lip Oil. And because I don't want my lips to be greasy, I blot them using a clean tissue. To avoid the color of your lips mixing with the color of your lipstick, we're going to neutralize them by applying the concealer to our lips, and we're just going to work it in with a beauty blender. To apply the liquid lipstick, you want to take the pointiest tip of the wand, and of course I picked Fenty Beauty, which has kind of like a round wand tip, but I'm trying to make it work. So I'm going to start by outlining my lips carefully. I'm using short little strokes rather than long strokes. Any mistakes that you make are going to be cleaned up, so not to worry about that. Right now, we just want to outline and fill in the lips as much as we can, and you can take your time for this. And can I just say that I absolutely love this color. After outlining my lips, it's easier to fill in the lips quickly. Now to clean up any mistakes, you're just going to use your concealer and the flat brush and just kind of touch up the outer lining of your lips. And I don't really need that much touching up because it's pretty clean. Good job, Kim. And there you have it. That is the final result. Okay, and here is a zoomed out look so you guys can see the whole picture. Don't you just love the color of this lipstick? I am just amazed. I like it more than I thought I was going to. That was my video for this week. I hope you guys loved it. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Remember, I make a video every week, so I'll see you guys again next week in another video. Bye!